Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to insert Convertkit newsletter sign up box in WordPress. So guys, I will show you two methods. So just simply follow along and I made this table over here so we can dive in deeper. So first one is by using formidable forms block. So just simply go to the WordPress page or post where you want to add the form. And after that, guys, just simply use the block editor to add a new block. And from there, just simply go ahead and find the formidable forms block and just simply go ahead and select it. And from there, just simply choose the convert kit from the drop down menu and you should be able to do this process. Now, another option that you have is buy the kit plugin. So just simply navigate to the settings and after that, go for Kit in the WordPress administration menu. And from there, just simply go ahead and click Connect button so you can link your ConvertKit account. And after that, just simply go ahead and define the default forms so you can display on pages, post, and custom post types. And from there, just simply use the kit form shortcode, or what you can try to do is block to insert forms into your page post or custom post type content. And there you go. If this video was helpful, guys, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply comment down below. And thanks for watching.